So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you need to report gains or losses from section 1256 contracts or straddles, here's how to enter the form 6781 information in Turbotax. Firstly, open Turbotax and go to the federal section. Select income and expenses and look for the section related to investments and savings or other investment income. Search for Form 6781 or Section 1265 contracts and straddles. Choose the option to enter your information and follow prompts, then use your brokerage statement or Form 6781 information to enter applicable gains, losses, and contract details. TurboTax will calculate the applicable amounts and transfer the information to the appropriate parts of your tax return. Review the results carefully before continuing. And that's it. You've entered your Form 6781 information in TurboTax. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.